Hi, this is Mayor David Genshaw, and again, we're coming to you to bring you an update of what's going on in the Seaford community. Unfortunately, we have seen a spike in the coronavirus here at our local hospital, so it's even more important now that we follow all the guidelines that the state and federal government have put out in regards to social distancing, to going out into public, to staying in crowds under 10. It's just super important. I was hopeful that we were going to be protected through this whole time and not see many virus cases here in Seaford, but unfortunately that's not the case. We seem to be delayed from the other communities. Up north in Wilmington, they're already seeing cases starting to drop, but we're a little bit behind them. So again, we want to just ask you to have caution, to stay at home as much as possible, and just keep your family safe. We thought it would be important today to bring a message from our police department again about social distancing, about doing the right things to keep your family safe. We've asked some of our officers to share this in Spanish and as well as Creole to reach our entire community. And again, throughout all these things, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're here to help in any way we can, but I'll turn it over to our Seaford Police Department.
Hello everyone, I'm Marshall Kraft, the Chief of Police for the City of Seaford, and in a continued effort to reach the entire Seaford community, we have 3 members of the Seaford Police Department that will be making a public service announcement through English, Creole, and Spanish regarding the use of personal protection equipment. It is more important now than ever to use a mask in public and to follow the governor's mandates as we are starting to see a spike in positive COVID-19 cases here in Seaford. And with that, Staff Sergeant Sterner will start us off with the PSA.
Hello, I'm Jason Sterner with the Seaford Police Department, currently assigned as the Infectious Disease Control Officer for the department. Today I'm joined by 2 of my fellow co-workers, Larissa Quintero and Bernard Dice. We're going to discuss the use of personal protective equipment during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Current orders by our governor mandate the use of social distancing. Social distancing involves us remaining 6 to 10 feet apart while in a public area. It also mandates that we shall not be in groups exceeding 10 people. As of this coming Saturday, April 18th, our neighboring state of Maryland is mandating the use of face masks while in public areas. As of now in Delaware, we are being highly encouraged to use face masks while out in public. It is not mandated, but highly recommended. We are encouraging all residents and visitors to the city of Seaford to wear some type of mask while in public areas where social distancing is not possible. For example, the grocery store. Practicing proper personal hygiene is also very important, such as washing your hands for approximately 20 seconds numerous times throughout the day, especially after returning home to your house. The use of antibacterial hand sanitizer is also effective when soap and water is not available. In front of me are several of our personal protective pieces of equipment. Some items include hand sanitizer, rubber gloves, and face masks, both homemade and official style surgical masks. A homemade mask may involve something as elaborate as these, or something as simple as any type of fabric or material used to cover your mouth and nose. We again encourage you to take the governor's current orders seriously as we navigate through this pandemic. Only as a community will we get through this. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Olá, soy Larissa Quintero del Departamento de Policía de Seaford. Hoy me acompañan 2 de mis compañeros de trabajo, Jason Sterner y Bernardine Dice. Vamos a discutir el uso de equipos de protección personal durante la actual pandemia COVID-19. Las órdenes actuales de nuestro gobernador exigen el uso de distancia social. La distancia social nos involucra permanecer de 6 a 10 pies de distancia mientras en una área pública. También exige que no tenemos en grupos superiores a 10 personas. A partir de este próximo sábado, el 18 de abril, nuestro estado vecino de Maryland está obligando al uso de máscaras faciales mientras está en áreas públicas. A partir de ahora en Delaware, es muy recomendado el uso de máscaras faciales mientras están en público. No es obligatorio, pero sí es muy recomendado. Estamos animando a todos los residentes y visitantes de la ciudad de Seaford a usar algún tipo de máscara facial mientras están en las áreas públicas, donde la distancia social no es posible, por ejemplo en las tiendas como Walmart. Practicar higiene personal adecuada también es muy importante, como lavarse las manos durante aproximadamente 20 segundos varias veces durante el día, especialmente después de regresar a su casa. El uso de desinfectante de manos antibacteriano también es efectivo cuando no hay agua o jabón disponible. Frente a mí hay varias piezas de nuestro equipo de protección personal. Algunos artículos incluyen desinfectante de manos, los guantes y las máscaras. Una mascarilla casera puede implicar algo tan elaborado y simples como esta que fue hecha por mano, y también hay unas que usan en el hospital. Los animamos de nuevo a que tome en serio las órdenes actuales de los gobernadores mientras navegamos a través de esta pandemia. Juntos como una comunidad superaremos esto. Manténgase seguro y manténgase saludable. Gracias.
Bonsoir, moi le Bernardin lycée, moi ensemble avec Seaford Police Department. Jodi qui ensemble avec moi c'est Sergeant Sterner avec Larissa Quanterio. Nous là pour nous parler sur pour protéger tête avec COVID-19. Nous demandons que le gouvernement demande que nous étions 6 pour 10 pieds là nous dans public area et nous demandons que pas plus que 10 personnes dans un groupe. Samedi, le 18 avril, nous avons un voisin de Maryland qui demandait que nous mettions masque et de là où surtout demandait ça dans le public area et ça nous demandait que nous pensions essayer dans le city of Seaford que nous demandait que Ariel le parlant maquette ou n'importe côté pour continuer à pratiquer pour être 6 pour 10 pieds et nous pratiquer désinfecter mains ensemble avec les laver mains que vous lavez pas plus que 20 secondes et spécialement après tourner la caille nous demandons que vous continuez à pratiquer avec savon, si vous n'avez pas de savon, désinfectez avec hand sanitizer et que nous tous avons gants qui aident à protéger les mains. Nous mettons masque qui c'est surgical mask qui des masques que vous pouvez utiliser ou vous utiliser une qui vous fait la caille qui n'importe dans des sailles qui aide à protéger tête dans COVID. Après ça, nous encourageons que vous continuez à suivre le gouvernement dans le sens et dans la loi ça a demandé ensemble dans la communauté nous capable passer virus là rester safe et qu'ember en bonne santé. Merci.
Once again, I thank you all for your continued efforts with following the governor's state of emergency guidelines, especially with wearing a mask and using hand sanitizer, as well as washing your hands frequently. As Mayor Genshaw stated in a prior video, we encourage all of our community members to follow our social media outlets here in the city of Seaford. We will continue to provide you with regular updates. Once again, together we will get through this and our community will be stronger. Gracias, merci, and thank you, and God bless.
Thank you so much, all of you at our police department, for what you're doing. Again, keeping our community safe, reaching out, and again, being there to help our community. Again, if you have any questions throughout this whole event, please call, ask, but again, we'll ask you to pray for everybody to keep us safe, but also that this virus passes by us quickly. Again, thank you and God bless.